message.
Hey, listen, man, we got a big fight for you. He's knocked out every guy so far, but you got what it takes. The fight's unsanctioned, but, hey, kid, it's in an arena.
Hey there, fight fans. Welcome to another round of The Distance with Nick and Travis. I'm Nick.
And I'm Travis.
And this is what's happening in the world of boxing. Headlining the boxing news this week is the continued rise of Danny Wheeler.
Yeah, that makes what, 29 wins?
29 wins, 17 knockouts. The man is a powerhouse.
I mean, who could he even fight at this point?
Could be my big break.
When we're done, the fight will be the easiest part of all of this.
Heavyweight class, Pretty Ricky, and Bobby the Operator now.
Oh, talk about an upset.
Oh, not for me, man. I had money on Conlon.
Just an outstanding match. I mean, 12 whole rounds, only to finish it with a stunning knockout. You know, I think that makes Conlon the best pound-for-pound fighter out there.
The man is running out of beats.
All right, Duke. Wish me luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The fight you've all been waiting for. In the blue corner, Dwayne Reynolds. In the red corner, Adonis Hollywood Creed. This is the match you've all been waiting for, folks. Once they touch gloves, the fight will be underway. The wait is over, folks. The fight is ready to begin.
Don't let this get personal. Touch him up and come out swinging.
This is it, Chet. How many rounds do you think they'll make it?
Both contenders have a lot on the line. I don't see anyone bowing out early.
Keep landing hits like that. Solid. Feel them out, they hit hard. Hell yeah! He needs more than a few taps. Just go ahead.
A fella came by the gym today. Said you asked him to train you. He wants you to meet him at Mix tomorrow.
No way.